Same size as a human heart. So when you see a heart, especially on the exam, because I know that's what you're all concerned about, you can tell this is the front of the heart. So it'll be sitting like this. It's the front of the heart. I like to say, because it's nice and smooth, if you want to go off of technical reasons, it's because this vein right here is diagonal. If you look on the back, there's a lot more like creasing, there's a lot more stuff. That's the back. So again, this is going to be sitting like right in the middle of your chest with this point, the apex, pointed down. If you open it up, you start to see all of those chambers. So if you just get an open heart on the practical, you have to figure out what left and right is. So how do you think you can tell left and right in the heart?
Left is inferior, right is, you have like the back.
The thicker muscles on the left side.
Thicker muscles on the left side. So does anyone know why the thicker muscle is on the left side?
Because it pumps blood to the rest of the body.
It pumps to the body. So this is the left from this view, this is the left on that view. So they come together and they're on the left side. So we talked last week about how the sharks had one circulation. We have two. So you're going to have deoxygenated blood come back to the heart through the right, let's see, there it is. Through superior inferior vena cava, sorry, anterior posterior vena cava, into the right atrium. Nice and large. It passes through, this is the tricuspid valve. I like to call it the right atrioventricular valve because I can never remember which one is the tricuspid and which one is the bicuspid. But this is the tricuspid, right atrioventricular. It then passes into the right ventricle. And if you see these little strings, these are called chordae tendineae. And if you have a heart murmur, it's because your valve doesn't close properly. So we're going to switch to this side. So you have your blood is in your right ventricle. It then goes up and out. If I can get my little probe to work. Oh, it's on this side. That's probably why. Up and out. Come on. There we go. Up and out the pulmonary trunk. You can also, there's another valve in the pulmonary trunk right here called the pulmonary semilunar valve. It does not have any chordae tendineae, but it's going up and out the pulmonary trunk. Goes out to the lungs, gets oxygenated, comes back. That's the important thing. The oxygenated blood comes back into the left atrium, this side. Left atrium, passes through the left atrioventricular valve, or the bicuspid valve, and then goes up and out the aorta. Well, left ventricle, up and out the aorta, through the aortic valve. And then here's part of that aortic arch. Make sense? All right.